To work through the different options on the gauge, you'll use your left hand controls on the lower portion of the control cube. Working through the buttons, I've got volume up, volume down, holding the volume down till it gets to 0, and then an additional 2 to 3 seconds will turn the radio off. To turn it back on, you'll simply select up. Left to right will either change your station or move through songs depending upon what mode you're in. The center button acts as a way to scroll through your pre-selected stations or a select button when working through different radio options. Your upper button here is a mute button to mute your radio system, a mode button to work through the different modes, and then last, your windshield button to raise or lower your windshield. We'll focus on the mode button and scroll through our different modes on the radio. You can see now we're on FM. Pressing the mode button once will take us to AM, again to weather band. Pressing again puts us to a USB device if we have a USB device connected under the fairing, and then a Bluetooth device if you have one paired. And then back to FM. To move through and choose different treble, bass, and different tuner settings, I'm going to press and hold the mode button. This will put me into my radio menu. You can see I can choose speakers or headset for my output. To change this, I'll simply use the volume up and volume down buttons and then select pre as my selection. Pressing mode to get into my menu. I'm going to press mode again, scroll volume up and volume down will change my bass setting. Mode again to move to my mid. Again, volume up and volume down will change. Mode moves me to treble. I can adjust my fade. If I have the accessory rear saddlebag speakers installed, I can move my sound around front to rear. AVC or audio volume control, I can choose to be high, medium, low, or off. Again, using the pre button to make the selection. So the Bluetooth setup menu, which would be used to pair either a driver headset or a driver device such as a phone or MP3 player. My next selection, get back to there, will be drive device, source on or off, a navigation audio on or off. Should you have a GPS connected, you can turn the audio on or off. You can clear all of your FM presets. Your RBDS or radio broadcast data system, you can choose to be full, on, or off. The difference is the amount of information that will be scrolled across your screen. To set a preset radio station, you'll use your left-hand dial pad and tune to the radio station you'd like to use the preset for, and then press and hold your pre-select button. You'll see P4 or the next pre-select will come up. Press again, and it will set that as a pre-select. Now, if I use the pre button or the center button, I can move through my pre-selected, and you'll say P4 or 100.3 is the last station we set.